In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repost from your Twitter or X profile. Maybe you shared something by accident, or you just changed your mind and don't want that repost showing up on your profile anymore. The good news is, it only takes a few seconds to undo a repost, as long as you know exactly where to click. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own device. First, open the X app on your phone, or go to the X website in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Then head over to your profile dashboard. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your name, usually located in the navigation bar. This will take you to your profile page where all your posts, replies, media, and reposts are displayed. Next, scroll through your profile until you find the post that you previously reposted and now want to remove. A repost is indicated by the familiar repost icon, which looks like two arrows forming a square shape. When you've reposted something, that icon is highlighted, often in green or a similar color, to show that your account has actively reposted that content. To remove the repost, tap or click on that repost icon again. You're not creating another repost here. You're actually opening the repost options for that specific post. Once you tap the icon, a small menu will pop up on your screen. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Undo Repost. Go ahead and select Undo Repost. As soon as you do this, the highlight on the repost icon should disappear. That's your confirmation that the repost has been removed from your profile. If you refresh your profile or scroll away and back again, you'll notice that the original post is no longer listed under your reposts. You haven't deleted the original post because it doesn't belong to you. You've simply removed your account's repost of it, so it no longer appears in your timeline. That's all there is to it. Remember, you can repeat the same process for any repost you want to remove. Open your profile, find the repost, tap the green repost icon, and choose Undo Repost.